How can I tell if a video has a variable frame rate? How can I tell if a video has a variable frame rate? I don't need to be able to do it programmatically, I just don't want to have to install some program that's hundreds of megabytes. For example, if I could do it with the VLC media player, that would be perfect.
ffmpeg has a verdit filter for this purpose. In the log, you'll see a readout of the form. A non-zero value for VFR indicates a VFR stream. The first value in brackets is the number of frames with a duration different than the expected duration implied by the detected frame rate of the stream. The second value is number of frames having the expected duration. The VFR value is the ratio of the first number to the sum of both. A couple of caveats. A very low or very high value indicates a few errant frames with non-standard duration, usually the first and or last frame. These can be considered CFR for most purposes. A value around 0.50 indicates the stream has a frame rate and or time base for which the notional frame duration cannot be exactly expressed in the stream's time base, so the app which generated the file oscillated the duration, e.g. if a stream has a FPS of 6 and a time base of 1/100, then the ideal timestamps would be 0, 16.667, 33.334, 50.000, 66.667, 83.333, 100.000 for the first second of video, but timestamps are integers, so the muxer may store 0, 16, 34, 50, 67, 83, 100. This could show up as a stream with VFR value of 0.5.
Just use ffprobe and check for the average_frame_8 parameter of the desired video stream. If the value of this parameter is a fraction like this, with a denominator that is not 1, then the video file has a variable frame rate. If the value is like this, be sure the stream has a constant frame rate.
One can use MediaInfo, 5 megabits, cross-platform, has a portable version on Windows, gratis, to tell if a video has a variable frame rate.
If you want to support the channel, please consider liking and subscribing.